Hi everyone. Good morning. So many already here. Okay. Good morning, Akshaya. Good morning, Shruti. Good morning, Neetu, Pankaj. Happy Tuesday, Jasmine. Good morning, Sakshi. Good morning, Prishita. Good morning, Surbhi. Good morning, Rani. Good morning, Sumita, Anubha, Anukriti. How are you guys? Good morning, Soumya. I'm so happy. It makes my day when so many of you wish me morning. So I hope you're all doing fine. And yes, today I also like did not remember. अभी मुझे थोड़ी देर पहले I just got to know. Happy Mahashivratri, everyone. And आज ध्यान रखना, ठीक है? खाना पीना मत उल्टा सीधा कुछ, ठीक है? शिव जी का आशीर्वाद and वो प्रसाद and everything. So yeah, okay. So all right, we'll just wait for a minute or two, and we'll let the few more participants to join in, and then we'll start. Till then, I'll just quickly introduce myself. My name is Sheva Khan, and I am a BA LLB law graduate. I have completed my law degree from Uttaranchal University. It's there in Uttarakhand itself. It's in Dehradun, and I completed my graduation in 2019. And fortunately, I completed my graduation with a gold medal in my batch. And I also have been a national debater as well as a public speaker. And right now, here at LawSikho, I'm working as an expert for current affairs, and I'm also managing the current affairs vertical. Okay. And yes, Jasmine, you are correct on that. I think you maybe noticed a little late, or you joined a little late. I don't know. It's almost been a month, more than a month now. So I was very eagerly waiting for this, and I finally got it done. So thank you so much. That's why, Jasmine. Yeah. So actually, I got a kind of not me, the room. Yeah, I am just the same. All right. Okay, everyone. Okay, Sumita, where you can get the old video, you can simply go on YouTube, search for LawSikho CLAT Prep. Okay, it's a YouTube channel, sister channel of LawSikho, and there you will just simply, you can find in the playlist the Hindu Daily Quiz. Okay, or you can simply search the Hindu Daily Quiz LawSikho, and you will get it. Okay, so all of these you will be, all of the previous ones you'll get there. Okay. Not a problem, Sumita. But actually, the thing was that this quiz was in the very beginning. It was started for CLAT students, but slowly and slowly, we realized it is way too much important for the judiciary students as well, right? So yeah, do one thing, guys. For all those who want the link, just ping me on WhatsApp, right? You have my WhatsApp number, right? Just ping me over there after this session. I'll share the quiz link over there. Okay. Okay. Sumita, you must have joined from any of the WhatsApp groups if I'm not wrong. So there my number is there, Sheva Khan करके, ठीक है? अच्छा, okay. That's very good, Jasmine. If you can do so, Jasmine, if you can just share the link, it will be great. Okay, because I'll not just change my browser or anything. Okay, Neetu, you get my number from the WhatsApp groups, whichever group you are in. I am a participant over there. Okay, by the name Sheva Khan. Wait, I'll just wait a guy. Wait a minute. I am sharing my number in the chat box because just yeah. Okay, here. Just take my number, guys. This is my official number, and Jasmine has already like shared the link of that YouTube video as well. Okay, so you can take my number and you can ping me, and then in case you need any other assistance also, you can like message me. Okay. All right, everyone. Okay, this will be the first article. So we'll be covering newspapers that we have left also from yesterday's newspaper also. Don't worry, and the previous ones also. Okay, you're welcome, Neetu. You're welcome. Okay, so this all of us know about the tussle which is going on between Ukraine and Russia, and it is getting worse. Though Ukraine and Russia somewhat they have agreed to come to talks, but still the military results have not stopped as yet. So missiles hit Kiev. Kiev, guys, is the capital of Ukraine, a city on the defensive. All right, so it is actually trying to defend itself. So Ukrainians crowd bomb shelters. Russia claims control over the airport. Okay, so the situation is not good, and I would say that those who are suffering in this are actually the civilians. उनका कोई fault भी नहीं होता है. So I think Russia should be actually realizing this and should not be so adamant on its things, with Ukraine. But let's see how it turns out. We really hope it goes well and everything's fine on the humanitarian basis also. Now, guys, in this slide, you'll get your option to enter your name. So please make sure that you're entering your full name and you're entering your right name. Okay. So I am sharing the link of this quiz. Okay. So please make sure that you've clicked here and that you're all a participant on the quiz, not just the Zoom, the quiz also. Okay. Chalo. Make sure everyone quickly, then we'll start the quiz. Okay. And please make sure that you're entering your full name and you're entering your right name. Okay. Chalo, I'm starting the quiz. Let's see question number 1. Okay, which of the following international lines passes through Ukraine? All right, you have to, your options are 23.5 degrees south, 23.5 degree north, 0 degree or none. Itna easy question hai na, itna zyada easy question hai. Basic simple map question, very simple I'll say. Okay, just remember, thoda sa remember where Ukraine is located. Oh, chalo, theek hai. Still, I will be like, okay, keep 23.5 degree north choose kiya. But guys, I'll tell you, it's none. Dekho. Look at this. Theek hai. See, guys. You tell me, 23.5 degree north is what? ठीक है, which actually ये तो उसका वो हो गया, like degree है, ठीक है. Name क्या है उसका? हाँ, Tropic of Cancer. ठीक है. So Tropic of Cancer, guys, is still very close to equator. Still, see, look at this. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे देखो. Here it is, 23.5 degree north. ठीक है. So much at the southern part. ठीक है. Just remember, guys, whole of Europe, okay, even Russia falls above the 23 and a half degree north. Okay, so that is it is all above the Tropic of Cancer. And if we talk about Ukraine, so 66 and a half degree north. Okay, it passes, Arctic Circle passes through Ukraine. बहुत ठंडे है, remember, Russia, Ukraine, all of these are, पूरा northern part is very, very cold. Right, because the Arctic Circle passes through it. So you have to remember this. Okay, so equator though definitely couldn't be the answer. Tropic of Cancer is quite still closer to the equator, and all of these, the Europe, Ukraine, and even Russia, are above the Tropic of Cancer. So it's Arctic Circle, which was not in the option. Okay, now here, guys, important things that you have to remember is the location of Baltic Sea. Very much important, because it is into news as well. Why is it into news? Because now Russia, the pipeline, remember we had covered it previously also, the Nord Stream 2 pipeline, all right, which was a natural gas pipeline, Nord Stream 2. So it was a direct natural gas pipeline between Russia and Germany. Okay, so it was completely through the Baltic Sea. Okay, so it was through the Baltic Sea, and that is why Baltic Sea is also into news, because of this entire thing. It was into question that maybe the Nord Stream 2 can be cancelled, the entire project can be cancelled, this and that. Though ऐसा कुछ अभी हुआ नहीं है, remember. ठीक है. Then you have to remember Black Sea, and this, guys, part of Black Sea, but separated by this small, I would say, what we call the strait, a kind of structure. This is Sea of Azov. Azov. Okay, very important. Sea of Azov, and this is the Black Sea. This is Crimea. Remember, it was annexed by Russia in 2014. This is Ukraine. Here, almost here, we have Kyiv, which is the capital of Ukraine. Then here, guys, where my cursor is, just above my cursor, here we have is Chernobyl. Chernobyl is also into news. We'll discuss it through other question also. Okay, so Kyiv, Chernobyl, whole of Ukraine. Here, guys, are the two areas, Luhansk and Donetsk, which are into news, which are also called as the Donbas region of Ukraine, which actually main problem is going on over here. Why? Because geographically people are located in Ukraine, but ethnically they are associated with Russia. So they are the Russian-speaking Ukrainians. Okay? So then we have here is, remember, guys, Black Sea, Sea of Azov, Ukraine, and here we have is, of course, Russia. Okay? So important things you have to remember. All right. Chalo. Let's see question number 2. Okay. Volodymyr Zelensky is associated with which of the following countries? Very easy, guys. Turkey, Russia, Ukraine, or Egypt? Basically, the leader of this country. Okay, very good. So basically, he is the president of Ukraine, ठीक है? And Russia, guys, Russia का president कौन है? Can anyone tell me? बहुत news में है अभी तो, ठीक है? Quickly tell me. Who is the very good? So it's Putin, Vladimir Putin. Very good. Jasmine, Pankaj, Surbhi, Anukriti. Yes, very good. And there is Anshuman. All right. Sakshi, Seema, Bhavna. Yeah, Soumya. Very good. So it's Vladimir Putin. Okay? And Volodymyr Zelensky is for Ukraine. Chalo. And guys, you remember once when we were learning about the BrahMos missile system, and we learned that it is jointly designed and being prepared by India as well as Russia. And how we learned it, remember? Brahmo was like Brahmaji from India, and Mos was from Moscow. Remember, we learned like that. If I'm not wrong, I'm so sorry, I just don't remember who had given it the hint to learn it like this. Yesterday, I learned a new fact about it, so I thought I'll just tell you guys as well. BrahMos, guys, basically is named after Brahmaputra from India. So Brahma is from Brahmaputra, and Mos is, guys, it's a very important river in Russia. Is the Moskva. Moskva. Okay, so Brahm and Mos. So that is why BrahMos missile. All right. So it's, I know Brahma and Moscow made sense quite much, but the right one, guys, is that it is named after Brahmaputra from India and Moskva River from Russia. Yeah, it was interesting. So I marked it in my head. So I'll tell you guys in today's session. Okay, chalo. Let's see question number 3, everyone. Chalo. World's largest importer of wheat is. Your options are Turkey, India, Russia, or Egypt. तुम लोग ना ऐसे ऐसे कभी कभी गलती करते हो ना कि मुझे ना इंपोर्टर है लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ व्हीट इज इंडीड रशिया ठीक है लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर गाइज इज रशिया बट लार्जेस्ट इंपोर्टर इज इजिप्ट you have to remember that Russia is the largest exporter of wheat 18% of the total global wheat export is done by Russia alone 18% huge I will say contribution ठीक है तो India is also one of the largest exporters but though India is the largest exporter of rice वो आपको याद रखना है ठीक है but Russia is the largest exporter of wheat 18% of the total global export of wheat is done by Russia Egypt is the largest importer of wheat ठीक है and for India guys India is the largest producer of jute India is also the largest consumer of jute ठीक है so you have to remember this चलो चलो let's see question number 4 everyone तो अभी कंफ्यूज मत होना आगे ठीक है इसको याद रखना अच्छे से चलो which of the following countries does not share border with western and southwestern Russia your options are Belarus Ukraine Poland or Finland map based question hai Russia also guys because of its enormous size and location shares borders with a lot of countries I do not know the exact number and China also guys China shares borders with 14 countries and with almost all the countries it has border disputes surprisingly but not very surprising though chalo okay so Poland guys is the correct answer it does not share borders with Poland dekho abhi na we'll see it through the map theek hai in the next question we'll see it through map okay so we'll see the bordering nations chalo let's see question number 5 Ukraine does not share boundary with so Ukraine kisse nahi share karta hai Russia, Belarus, Romania, or Bulgaria? Guys, very easy this question is. Okay? Because all of these areas were into news recently. Very good. Very good. See how we could learn this. See, Russia के साथ तो करता है, ठीक है? Now, because of the tussle between Russia, remember we studied about the Minsk II agreement, which was about keeping peaceful, like maintaining peace in Ukraine, right? Which was signed between Russia and Ukraine. And if I'm not wrong, Germany and France had also, they had arranged it for everything. It was in 2015. So. Last question का answer Seema was Poland. ठीक है? So so ठीक है, so Minsk 2 agreement was there. Minsk, guys, is the capital of Belarus. All right, so Belarus is just above Ukraine. It's just above Ukraine, and Romania, guys, is just on the southwestern side of Ukraine. And why we could remember this as well, recently, as you know, there are a lot of Indian students also, and other, from various countries, people, students, they go over there to study to Ukraine, right? So because of this entire tension, Indian government and I am just forgetting the name of that operation which was there, the name exactly. But anyway, the students were safely moved from Ukraine to Romania. Okay? So that's why we should remember that. Ha, very good, Rani. It's Operation Ganga. Very good. Thank you so much. मैंने कल पढ़ा था, but it's just totally wiped out from my head. Yes, okay. So that is why the students were moved from Ukraine to Romania. So Belarus is at the northern side of Ukraine, एंड साउथ वेस्टर्न की साइड पे इज रोमेनिया. तो बचा कौन सा ऑप्शन? बल्गेरिया. ठीक है, तो बल्गेरिया डज नॉट शेयर विद बॉर्डर्स विद यूक्रेन. ठीक है, लेट्स सी. ये देखो यहाँ पे ये हमारा रशिया है. ठीक है, ये हमारा यूक्रेन है. ओके, ये आई साउंडेड समवट लाइक वो, यू रिमेंबर दैट गर्ल पावरी, और ये हमारा ये है, ये हमारा ये, हमारी पावरी, और ओ माय गॉड, आई हैव गॉन क्रेजी. ऑलराइट, ठीक है. सो रशिया एंड यूक्रेन. सो हियर यू कैन सी गाइस, दिस इज फिनलैंड. ठीक है, एस्टोनिया, लातविया, लुथेनिया और लुथानिया एज यू लाइक टू से. ठीक है, बेलारूस, यूक्रेन तो यहाँ पे है, कजाकिस्तान, मंगोलिया, जापान. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे इस साइड भी है तो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. सो बेसिकली मतलब लैंड बाउंड्री टच नहीं होती है, बट बिल्कुल नेबरिंग उसमें है. ठीक है, सो ये आप याद रखोगे. ठीक है, एंड गाइस हियर अब इसमें ना क्लियरली इतना आ नहीं रहा है, ये यूक्रेन है ना. तो बेलारूस तो आपने देख लिया, जहाँ पे मिन्स्क अग्रीमेंट उसकी कैपिटल के नाम पे हुआ था, एंड ये वाला, ठीक है, दिस इज रोमेनिया यहाँ पे. ठीक है, चलो. Okay, let's see who is leading the quiz. Okay, so Ravi is leading the quiz. Then we have Amir, Deepansh, Gopal, Ahmed. I think it was Ahmed or Ahmer. Maybe a spelling mistake, or maybe it's Ahmer. I'm seeing this name for the first time. Then we have Surbhi, Soumya, Akshay, Sweeto, please आप अपना नाम चेंज करेंगे और अपना नाम एक्चुअल नाम डालेंगे. ठीक है, and then we have Shivani. चलो. Let's see next one, guys. Radiation spike in Chernobyl, Ukraine. As I told you guys, just like almost above the capital of Ukraine, Kyiv, there is this city called as Chernobyl, and there was a nuclear disaster. There was a nuclear leak back in. I'll not tell you the year. ठीक है, so basically उसके ऊपर ही Remembrance Day भी actually होता है, and so now it is Russia has actually seized the nuclear plant over there as well. ठीक है, so that's why Chernobyl is into news. The Chernobyl incident is also into news. Okay. Chalo, let's see question number 6. Okay. Chernobyl disaster occurred in, okay, your options are 1990, 1986, 1970 or 1960. A hint I'm giving to you guys, that it is, the year is closer to the Bhopal gas tragedy, closer to it. Okay, very good. It's 1986. Okay. So Chernobyl disaster, there was a nuclear leak. It actually was, there were two reasons actually for the leak. Firstly, the equipments that were used, maybe I think they were not of very good quality, or something went wrong with the equipments, and specifically they were not handled very well they were not handled by proper experts or so, and that is why it happened. So it's 1986. Okay, and it actually occurred in a huge area of about 1,000 square kilometers, right? Important one. Union Law Secretary elevated as Delhi High Court judge. So Mendirata was in Delhi Higher Judicial Services. All right. So, okay, let's see question number 7. Anup Kumar Mendirata has recently been appointed as, your options are Judge of the Delhi High Court, Union Law Secretary, Additional Solicitor General, or Chief Justice of India. Okay, very good. All right. So the correct answer is Judge of the Delhi High Court. Chalo. Very good. And guys, यहाँ पे ना there had to be some other article. I don't know. It just was not getting loaded. Okay. So let's just see the question. Okay. Let's see question number 8, everyone. Okay. When light is scattered by a molecule and the frequency of the scattered light is changed, this phenomena is called, your options are Rayleigh scattering, Raman effect, Chandrasekhar limit, or Rutherford scattering. Very important concept of physics. ठीक है? Okay, very good. Yes, so it is called as the Raman effect. Okay. Chalo. All right, let's see question number 9, everyone. Everyone, please make sure that you're coming up with me on Menti quiz also. Okay. So please make sure that you're all there with me. Chalo. Let's see the 9th question. When the sun is near the horizon, morning or the evening time, it appears reddish. The phenomena that is responsible for this observation is, your options are refraction of light, scattering of light, reflection of light, or dispersion of light. Oh, guys, it's actually scattering of light. Okay, the light scatters and the colors have different wavelengths. Red has a longest wavelength. Okay, so it can travel the longest distance. Okay, तो उसकी it is actually the phenomenon scattering of light. जो आप refraction of light बोल रहे हो ना, can anyone tell me, anyone can tell me, there is other phenomena that we observe during the night that is because of refraction of light. What is that? And it looks very beautiful. Okay, and we many times we just gaze at it, we just look at it, and that's actually caused because of the refraction of light. Okay. No, you must be referring to the aurora lights, the northern lights. No, 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 no. They like it's the twinkling of the stars. Just stars is a twinkle, twinkle little stars. So why we say that they're twinkling? They don't twinkle. They are normally lit. Okay, but because when the light of these stars travels till us, the density of air changes many times. Okay, sometimes it's dense, sometimes it's not that dense. Now, because of the changing density, the air gets refracted. Okay, so it's just not reflection. After getting reflected from the star, it travels towards us through refraction. Now, changing path of the light, it actually looks that it is twinkling. Okay, so twinkling of stars is because of the refraction of light. Okay, chalo. That's true, Jasmine, but I still try to do it whenever it's possible. I really love it. I really love it. And it seems like I'm just floating above in the sky. It's so beautiful. Okay. Chalo. Let's see question number 10. We should, I think, all take out time for these little happiness, things that we should do. All right. I know. Let's see, guys. A National Science Day is celebrated annually on, your options are 1st March, 28th Feb, 20th Feb, or 10th March. Okay. And it is basically to commemorate the contributions of Dr. C.V. Raman. Okay. Very good, guys. So it's 28th Feb. Okay. And about Delhi, the pollution is so bad that it already, it covers up the entire sky. है ना, तो stars कहाँ से दिखेंगे? When I was studying in Jamia for a year, so I used to think that it'll rain tomorrow or in the morning. I used to think गर्मी इतनी हो रही है, but बारिश होती नहीं है, पता नहीं कैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, समझ नहीं आता. Right. So then after like a month or so, I realized कि भैया, it's not going to rain. It's the pollution that's all above my head. So that the situation was bad. And ये तो बात 5-6 साल पहले की है, 7-8 साल पहले की. So अब तो और situation खराब है, right? Okay, everyone. Chalo, let's see question number 11th. It shall be the duty of every citizen of India to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Now, this is included in super duper easy question, guys. Article 28, Article 51A, Article 44, or Article 32. बहुत आसान है, बहुत आसान है. Shabash. It's Article 51A, fundamental duty. Okay, and Article 28, guys, it is about the freedom of religion. Okay, 25 to 28. Article 44 is Uniform Civil Code. Article 32 is right to constitutional remedies. Okay, and Article 51A is about this fundamental duty to develop the scientific temper. Chalo. Let's see the 12th question, everyone. Okay. Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, established in 1876 by Mahendra Lal Sircar, is located at, your options are Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, or Karnataka. Chalo. The correct answer, guys, is West Bengal. Okay? Chalo. Okay, let's see the last question. Bush or Bush, I don't know how to pronounce this, named as SEBI's first woman chief. This is very important for the SEBI students. Okay, so former banker Madhabi Puri Buch or Bush has been appointed as the new chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, the first ever woman to head the capital markets regulator. Okay, and can anyone tell me on this note? Can you tell me who was the first woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress? I know history ka question hai, but static basic important general knowledge ka question hai. First woman to become the president of? Ah, very good. Yes, it was Annie Besant. Okay, and the year was? Very good, guys. It's Annie Besant, and the year was? It was 1917. Okay, and who was the first Indian woman to become the president of INC? Very good. Kya baat hai? Yes, it was Sarojini Naidu, and I think the year was 1925. Okay? Very good. Oh my God, we have San Marino, United Nations General Assembly. Is that so? Were you logged in into some MUN or something? Like the Model United Nations? I guess so. Chalo. Oh, okay. Actually, yeah. All right. Chalo. MUNs are also fun. Chalo, let's see the last question. Okay. Madhabi Puri Buch or Buch, जैसा भी है यार देखना, ठीक है, has been appointed as a chairperson of, your options are RBI, SEBI, BSE, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, or none. Okay. Yes, everyone. Yes, so the correct answer is SEBI. ठीक है? चलो, let's see who is the winner of today's quiz. All right. So Amir is today's winner. Very good. Congratulations to you, Amir. Great. Then we have Ravi as on the second position, Gopal on the third position, Akshay is fourth, Deepansh is fifth today, Anshuman is on sixth position, Shivani is seventh, Surbhi is eighth, Bhavna is ninth, and Shruti is on 10th position. Very good. Congratulations, everyone, and special congratulations to you, Amir. And yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Please take care of yourselves. Oh my God. ये देख लो अभी like at the beginning of the quiz, guys, Zed was like, he had messaged me that he's traveling, so he might like not be able to participate, and I was like, okay, fine, just travel safe. And now he tells that this is his cousin's mobile and this is Mohammed Zaid. मतलब भाई कैसे भी करके you have to be there. Huh? That's really good, right? So great. So congratulations to you, Zaid. Great. So this is what I call dedication. Huh? Very good. So congratulations to you, and thank you so much, everyone, for joining. And happy Mahashivratri once again, everyone. Have a great day, and take a lot of blessings from Lord Shiva. And oh, Shiva. Oh, many people actually think that my name is Shiva, not Shiva. And they say, "Beta, Papa, Mummy ne spelling galat likh diya aapki." And I go, I'll get it corrected. Don't worry. So they think my name is Shiva. Anyway, doesn't like make a difference. So thank you, everyone, for joining in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, please take care of yourselves. Have a great day ahead, and study well and stay well. San Marino, I don't know your name, pehle to. My name, actually, it is a Persian word and it means beautiful and a good speaker, eloquent. So that's my name. Okay. So I know it's oh my god. बस उसके इसके बाद मुझे यही reactions मिलते हैं. I'm like, my ठीक है बस. I really wish someday I even justified, even better. So that day I'll be very happy. है ना? चलो, तो I will see you guys tomorrow now. I gotta go. ठीक है? And please everyone take care and please stay well, stay home.